afternoon, my friends. Lindabradley from Princess House. Today I have a layaway for you in our very popular Tri-Ply collection. I have two layaways right now with Tri-Ply, so definitely make sure you check out the other one. The other one's big. It has a lot of stuff in it. So this is more like a starter set. This is more for people that are really looking to up their cooking game, because you know, when you have good quality cookware, your food actually tastes better. Ask any chef, they will tell you. But this is a smaller set designed to just get started, or if you have a smaller family, you don't always need the big pieces. So in this set, you're going to get, they're all Tri-Ply pieces. And real quick, Tri-Ply is the 3 different layers. So it's stainless steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, and it goes all the way up the side. So no matter how big the piece is, they all cook extremely thermal because all of the insides are at the same temperature. And that can be really important for different sauces and things that you do make. You'll also notice that inside it's nice and shiny, and that is actually called an elite satin finish. Not only is it for good looks, but it releases your food quickly, so it's easy to cook. Keep in mind, when you're using really high quality cookware like this Princess House Tri-Ply, it's important to use a lower flame. So you want to use low to medium. You don't need to use high. We always joke that most men, and I'll apologize in advance because a lot of men are really good cooks these days, but most men know 2 volumes of heat, off and high. So don't cook on high because you'll burn your things. Start slow, go to medium, and then you'll see that you don't need to go to high because of how thermal they are. Also, our handles have a unique design. They're hollow cast, so they stay cool. So this is a 12-inch flared skillet. It's nice for your larger meals if you have a bunch of things that you want to cook. A lot of people do food prep. This is a really good size. Now, in the same Tri-Ply, you're also going to get an 8-inch. I don't have the 8-inch, so I'm substituting this with the 8-inch non-stick. You are going to get the 8-inch in the Tri-Ply. I just wanted to show you the size, all right? So you're going to get the 12-inch and the 8-inch, both in Tri-Ply. You're also going to get some of the smaller pieces to help complete your collection. So this is a 1.75 quart saucepan. It has the longer handle. This is also good too. All of our handles are made so that if you want to, you can hang your pots and put the lids right on top of them. And so this is 1.75, so it's really good for your everyday cooking, right? Like I said, this is a smaller set. This is a 2.5 quart casserole. So this one has the handles on the side. 2.5 quart is a really nice size. And then we also have the 4 quart. So as I said, this is a really nice collection. Keep in mind that all of the Tri-Ply can go on any type of stovetop, gas, electric, or induction. They can go in the oven up to 350 degrees with the lids, up to 450 degrees without the lids. They are dishwasher safe, and everyone has a lifetime warranty. I'm also going to include in this set the mitts. These are the silicone mitts, so they're really good for bringing things in and out of the oven. And what I like about them is that they can be washed. So, you know, when you have your normal hot pads, you end up throwing them out after a while because they just get gross. And so these can throw in the dishwasher, so they always stay nice. So this whole package, I'm going to give you at a great discount because you know me and my layaway sets. So this one, you're going to start with just $130, and then you can make 10 weekly payments of $38.05, and it's yours. I can change those layaway arrangements for you. You can make different amounts. You know, you can do it every other week, once a month, like whatever works best in your budget. So just reach out to me, Lindabradley, at myprincesshouse.com, and I will be happy to help you.